So we're going to try to solve this system of linear equations using technology. I'm going to use a graphing calculator, and my goal is I'm going to use the calculator to take the augmented matrix to row echelon form. Alright, so to do that, we're going to first write the augmented matrix. Alright, so we'd have 2, -3, -1, 13, -1, 2, -5, 6, 5, -1, -1, 49. Alright, so on the calculator, what I'm first going to do is define the matrix. So this is a 3 by 4 matrix. 3 rows, 4 columns. Alright, so I'm on the calculator and go to my matrix menu, which is the second function of the x to the negative first. Alright, and I'm going to edit. Let's just use matrix A. It asks me first how many rows and columns. So 3 rows, 4 columns. Type those numbers in if they're not the same. Alright, and type in your coefficients. So 2, enter, -3, enter, -1, enter, 13, enter. -1, 2, -5, 6, 5, -1, -1, 49. Alright, so we've defined this augmented matrix. Now let's go back to my home screen. So I'll just hit second and mode to quit back to the home screen. Go back to your matrix menu. Go to the math submenu by moving right. There we have a whole bunch of different functions we can use here. I'm going to scroll down until I find the one that says REF. That stands for row echelon form. So I'll hit enter. Now I'll go back to the matrix menu, and I want to stay in the names. I don't want to edit it anymore. I've already edited the matrix. Now I'm going to actually use the matrix name. Hit enter. It brings it up onto your main screen. Close it off. And I'm going to hit enter here. And I get this matrix, and it's got some nasty fractions in it. Alright, well, let's see if we can do any better than that. So now I hit enter. I've got this matrix. It's in row echelon form, but it's got some nasty numbers in it. Go to the math menu, and let's change it to fraction. So this is better. Alright, so let's see what we have. 1, -1 fifth, -1 fifth, 49 fifths. Alright, and then we have 0, 1, 3 13ths, 33 13ths. Let me just double check that. 33 13ths. Alright, and the last row says 0, 0, 1, -2. Alright, so we have this row echelon form, and from it we see that z equals -2. We see that y plus 3 13ths times -2 is 33 13ths. So y minus 6 13ths is 33 13ths. Adding 6 13ths, y equals 39 13ths, which is 3. And we see that x minus 1/5 of y, so minus 1/5 of 3, minus 1/5 of z, so that's -2, is 49/5. X minus 3/5 plus 2/5 is 49/5. X minus 1/5 is 49/5. Adding 1/5 to both sides, x is 50 over 5, which is 10. So therefore the solution is 10, 3, -2.